20,000 years into the future. The predator is reaching termination. Energize the massive south of the region. Enjoy the sensation of Armageddon.
Second row on the left.
This is something they call a groundbreaker. So let me first apologize to the shots and the ties for your makeup. Cause I let you out there as soon as it drops right on my lap, babe. Always pump it up because you know where it's rolling up. Pushing it up, somebody say what you're about to witness is no illusion. And now we got the bass banging from head to bucket and ballads. They're all moving. Hey Simon, what in my birds is psycho. Everybody rocking the house down. So level it up, cause we keep pushing it up. Somebody say I predict an earthquake up in the air, cause we throw bombs on it.